Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to continue exercise 4.1. So students, I can't complete one chapter in one video because the video will become very lengthy and it will not get stick into your mind. Okay, so please try to cooperate with me. I can explain one exercise in one video or half exercise. So now I'm starting fourth sum. Simplify and give reasons. So first bit in the fourth sum is 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. So again I explain you what is a power 0. It is 1. So here 4 power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 5 minus 1 means again we have to take one more identity here. It is a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So here you have to write 1 by 5, okay, into, so I'm taking this in bracket. First we will solve this and again this one, okay. So now y square into 1 by 3. So now what you have to do here, the denominator is not same. So here if in the denominator no number is there means you have to take 1. So here you have to take 1. So here 1 is there. So what you have to do, what is LCM here of 1 and 5? It is 5 only, okay. So now what you have to do, how many times these 5 goes in this one table? It goes 5 times. 1 5 is a 5. Now you have to take this 5 into, you have to take this 1 plus, now how many times these 5 goes in 5 table? 1 time only. So 1 into 1 into 5 square, sorry, into 1 by 3. So again 5 ones are 5 plus 1 ones are 1 into, it is 5 5s are 25 into 1 by 3. So now what you have to do, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 5 into 25 into 1 by 3. So now what you have to do here, 6 by 5 is there, here 25 is there, here 1 is there. So 6 by 5 into 25 ones are 25. 25 by 3. Now we have to cancel it. 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 2 into 5 is equals to 2 5s are 10. So this is the answer. This is how you have to do this sum. So in the fourth bit, second sum is 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3, 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3, again 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. Here the exponent is same. So what identity you have to take here, a power m into b power m into c power m, means you have to take a b c whole power m. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to make this exponent common. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5. So you have to take this common. Here 1 minus 3 is the exponent. So now what you have to do, you have to take 1 into 1 into 1. It is 1 by 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 1 by 40 whole to the power of minus 3. So here minus 3 is there means what you have to take, a to the power of minus m means 1 by am you have to take. So 1 by, you have to take 1 by, again 1 by 40. Okay, this is a to the power of m. We are a to the power of minus m. So we are taking it as a to the power of m. Okay, so 1 by 40 you have to take, whole to the power of 3 you have to take. So we are removing this minus by taking here this 1 by 40 in the denominator. Okay, so now what you have to do, now in fractions, how you have to do the division, 1 into this you have to take as 40 by 1. Okay, you have to take the reciprocal. Okay, 40 by 1. So here whole cube is there, you have to take this cube. You take 1 into 40 cube. What is 40 cube? 40 into 40, 4 4s are 16, 1600. Then again you take into 40, 0 0 0 0 0 6 0 0 1 0 0 into 4 0 0 4 0 0 6 4s are 24, 1 4s are 4 5 6. It is 6400 0, 64,000. So the answer is here 64,000. So this you have to write here. 1 into 64,000 is 64,000. Okay. So this is how you have to do this sum. Okay. So one more method is there for doing this sum. In the previous method, what I have shown you, you have to take this formula. A power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. So you can take this identity also. You can take this law also for this sum. A by b whole power minus m is equals to b by a whole power m. So with which method you feel like easier, you can do that method. Okay. So a by b whole to the power of minus m means what you have to do. Here 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 is there. So b by a you have to take 2 by 1. 2 by 1 whole to the power of 3 into 4 by 1 whole to the power of 3 into again 5 by 1 whole to the power of 3. So this form you have to take. You have to take the reciprocal, okay, multiplicative inverse. So now what you have to do, if the in this all exponent are common. So what you have to do, common means a into b into c whole to the power of m means you have to take it is a power m into b power m into c power m means you have to take a b c whole power m. So now what you have to do, 2 into 4 into 5 whole cube you have to take. So 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. It is 40 cube again. Same answer you will get. It is 64,000. Okay, you can do with this method also. In the fourth sum, third bit is 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4. Now what you have to do, so don't write here a b c whole to the power of minus 1. So if a into b into c is there, then you can take this identity. So here plus is there, means here you can't take this identity. Okay, if into is there, then you have to take that identity. So now what you have to do, here 2 plus 2 power minus 1 is there. So what you have to do, you have to make it 1 by 2. A power of minus m is equals to 1 by am. You know this identity. So now what you have to do, 1 by 3 again you have to take, then 1 by 4, then into 3 by 4. So let's take this in bracket. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to take LCM of 2, 3, 4. This denominator is not same now. That's why you have to take LCM here. 2, 3, 4. So what is LCM here? 2 1s are 2. 3 you have to keep like this only. 2 2s are 4. Then you take 3. 3 1s are 3. Then 2. Then you take this one here, and 2 1s are 2. It is 2 into 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So LCM is here 12. So now 12 is the LCM. So how many times these 12 goes in 2 table? Only you have to see the denominators. Okay. 2 6 are 12. 6 into 1 plus 3 4s are 12. 4 into, then numerator you have to take this. Then 4 3s are 12. 3 into this numerator you have to take here. So we are taking here numerators. Okay. Into 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 I am taking here. So 6 1s are 6 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 by 12. Again into 3 by 4. So it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 3. It is 13. 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. Now you can direct multiply it. Okay. 13 3s are, it is 39 by 12 4s are 48. Okay. So like this you have to do this. We can cancel it also. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So here 4 is there. We are taking 3 ones are 3. So 1 left here. You have to make this 8 as 18. We are taking 3 ones are 3. Here 4 is there means 1 you have to take here. You have to make this 8 as 18. 3 6 are 18. So the answer is 13 by 16. Now fourth sum is 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. Now what you have to do? Again you have to take this identity. A power minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So now it will become 1 by 3 to the power of 2. 1 by 3 square this will become. Then by 3 into what is 3 power 0? It is 1 minus 3 power of minus 1 is 1 by 3 only. Okay. So now what you have to do? 1 by, again it will become 3 3s are 9 by 3 into, again you have to take here LCM. LCM is 3. 3 ones are 3. So here 1 is there in the denominator, again 1 is there. So 1 3s are 3 is there. So 3 into 1 is 3 minus, how many times these 3 goes in 3 table? It goes 1 time. 1 into 1 is 1 ones are 1. So now what you have to do? 1 by 9 into, here in the denominator 1 is there. So you have to take it as 1 by 3. Okay. This 1 by 9 we are taking, again we are taking the reciprocal. Okay. So here in the denominator 1 is there. So you have to write here 1 by 3 into 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 3. Again 1 ones are 1 by 3 nines are, it is 27 into 2 by 3. So now what you have to do? 1 2s are 2 by, what is 27 3s are? 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 7 8. 81. So this is how you have to do this sum. This is the answer, 2 by 81. Now fifth sum is 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power 0. Now what you have to do? Again you have to take this identity. A power of minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. So 1 plus 1 by 2 you have to take, then 1 by 3 plus 4 power 0 is 1. So now what you have to do? Again you have to take the LCM. LCM is 2. If you do the LCM of 2 and 3, it is 6. Here they are co-primes. Okay, 2 prime numbers are there means you have to multiply it. 2 3s are 6. So now what you have to do? Here 1 is there means 1 6 are 6 you have to take. If 1 is there in the denominator means you have to write this number only. Plus, how many times 6 goes in 2 table? 3 times. 3 into 1. Plus 6 goes in 3 table 2 times. 2 into 1. Plus, again here 1 is there. Again you have to take 6 ones are 6. So now 6 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 6 by 6. It is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 by 6 is the answer. Now sixth sum is 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 then whole power 2. Again what you have to do? The same identity. A power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. So now what you have to do? 1 by 3 by 2 whole square you have to take. Okay, this is minus 2. As we are taking in denominator, we have to make it as 2. Then whole square. This we have to take here. Then again what you have to do here? 1 into 2 by 3. Here we have to write reciprocal. 2 by 3. Then whole square. Okay. 1 into 2 by 3 whole square. Again we have to take square. So 1 into, it is 2 2s are 4 by 3 3s are 9. Okay, then again we have to take whole square. This square we have to take. This we have multiplied here. Okay, then what you have to do? 4 ones are 4 by 9. Okay, 4 by 9 whole square is equals to 4 4s are 16 by 9 9s are 81. So the answer is here 16 by 81. Okay, you have to take whole square here also, here also. Okay, first we are making this as 2 into 2 4, then 3 into 3 9. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4 we are taking here. Then we have to take this square also. Okay, then what we have to do, again we have to multiply these 4 2 times and this 9 2 times. Okay, so for the sixth sum another method is there. So what you have to do in this, again I have taken in the previous method, I have taken that 1 by a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of minus m, or a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So I explain you with this identity. You can take this identity also. Okay, a by b whole to the power of minus m is equals to b by a. You can take b by a whole to the power of m. So b by a means 3 by 2 is there, means you can take 2 by 3. Okay, if whole power is there, then you have to take like this. Okay, if power is there on 3, power minus 2 is there, if power is not there on 2, whole power bracket is not given, means don't take this. Okay, so you take 2 by 3 whole square. Okay, you have to take out this minus. Okay, as per this identity, 2 by 3 whole square, again whole square is there, it is given in the sum. So now what you have to do, 2 into 2, 2 times you have to take 2, then 3 into 3, 2 times you have to take 3, then whole square we have to take. So now 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, then square you have to take, then 4 4s are 16, 9 9s are, it is 81. Okay, it is 81. So answer is 16 by 81. Fifth sum is simplify and give regions. Again you have to simplify it and give regions. Okay, so in the fifth sum, first bit is 3 square minus 2 square divided by 1 by 5, then whole square. Okay, so what you have to do again here, 3 square is 9, 9 minus 2 2s are 4. Okay, then divided by 1 by 5, then whole square you have to take. Whole square, what is 9 minus 4? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is 5. 5 divided by 1 by 5, then again whole square you have to take. 5 divided by 1 by 5 means what you have to do, 5 into, again you have to take the reciprocal here, 5 by 1. Okay, then whole square, then it is 5 5s are 25, 25 by 1 whole square, it is 5 5s are 25 by 1 whole square, it is 25 whole square only. If you do 25 into 25, what will be the answer? 625. So the answer is here 625. So what is the second bit? 5 power 2, then whole cube plus 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. What you have to do, which identity you have to use here? A to the power of m into n. So what you have to take? A m n. So what you have to take? 2 3s are 6. We will take here 5 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 6. So if the bases are same, power should be added. 5 to the power of 6 plus 4 divided by 5 to the power of 6. It is 5 to the power of 10 divided by 5 to the power of 6. So now what you have to do here? 5 to the power of 10 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Now we'll take 5 to the power of 10 into 1 by, again 5 to the power of 6. Again we have to take the reciprocal. It is 5 to the power of 10 by 5 to the power of 6. So if you cancel it, it is 5. So if you cancel it, here 5 to the power of 6 is there, here 5 to the power of 10 is there. So 10 minus 6 is, it is 4. Okay, so you have to write here 5 to the power of 4. So what is 5 to the power of 4? If you do 5 4 times, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, 25 5 is 5 5 is 25, 5 to the 10, 11 12, it is 125. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 are, it is 125. Then 125 5 are, 5 5 is 25, 5 to the 10, 11 12, 1 5 is 5, 6 6 25, 4 times. Okay, then you have to write 5 4 10 means 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 5 is it is 625. So this is the answer. Okay. So here we are using this identity, a power of mn, m into n. It is you have to do a power of mn. Okay. So 5 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 4. 2 3 is it is 6 into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Then 5, if the bases are same, power should be added. 6 plus 4, 5 to the power of 6, 5 to the power of 10. 6 plus 4 is 10 in divided by 5 to the power of 6. Then 5 to the power of 10 into 1 by 5 to the power of 6 you have to take is equals to 5 power 10. 5 power 10 into 1 is 5 power 10 by 5 power 6. Then 5 power 4. If you cancel this and this, you will get the answer 5 power 4. If you take 5 6 times, then 5 10 times. If you cancel all 5s, then how much 5 left here? 4 5s left. Then you have to take 5 to the power of 4. Then 1 2 3 4. What is 5 to the power of 4? It is 625. Now sixth one is find the value of n in each of the following. You have to find out the value of n. So again here, if the bases are same, power should be added. 2 by 3, 3 plus 5 you have to take is equals to 2 by 3 n minus 2. So you have to take this exponents you have to take. Here 3 plus 5 is there, here n minus 2 is there. 3 plus 5 is equals to n minus 2 you have to take. Okay. So now what is 3 plus 5? 8 it is. 5 6 7 8 is equals to n minus 2. So now we are taking this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. So what you have to do here, this minus 2 will become plus 2. So is equals to n. So 8 9 10, it is 10. So the answer is here, n is equals to 10. Here also in the second bit you have to do the same. If the bases are same, power should be added. Minus 3, okay, n plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Minus 3 n plus 1 plus 5 is 6. So don't add this n. They are not like terms. Okay. So you have to add the number. Okay, and you have to keep this variable like this only. Okay. Is equals to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. So again what you have to do here, n plus 6 is equal to minus 4 you have to take. So here n is equals to minus 4. Again I am taking this plus 6 here. So what you have to do, if you are taking it on the right hand side, this plus 6 will become minus 6. N is equal to, if two negative numbers are there, you have to add it. Okay, and you have to write the minus symbol. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10. N is equals to minus 10. So here we got the value of n. So third bit is here, 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. So now bases are not same, you have to make it same. So we can write this 49 as 7 square. So 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 7 square is equals to 7 cube. Now you have to take this all exponents. Okay, 2n plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So now 2n plus 1 in division, what you have to do, you have to take the reciprocal. It is 2 by 1 into 1 by 2 is equals to 3. Then 2n plus 1 into 1 is 1 only, 2n plus 1. Okay, so 2n plus 1 by 2 is equals to 3. These 2 and these 2 gets cancelled. You have to write n plus 1 is equals to 3. N is equal to 3. Again this plus 1 will become minus 1. So the answer is here 2. N is equals to 2. Now 7th sum is find x if 2 power minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 power x. So now what you have to do, 2 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power x is there. So here it is in the form of 1 by a power m. You can write it as a power of minus m. So it is 2 power minus 3 is equals to 2 power of minus x you have to write. Minus 3 is equal to minus x means you have to cancel this minus and this minus. So the answer is x is equal to 3. Eighth sum is simplify 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 plus 4 by 5 power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. So again, what identity you have to take here? A by b whole power minus m is equals to b by a. You have to take reciprocal b by a. Then you have to remove this minus, then m. You have to take it as m. So here also you do the same. 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 is there. You take it as 4 by 3. Then you take whole square. Okay, then divided by, you take 5 by 4 whole power 3 into 3 by 5 means 5 by 3 whole square. So now what you have to do? You have to take 4 square, then 3 square divided by 5 cube by 4 cube into 5 square by 3 square. Now what you have to do for division in fractions? Again you have to do here reciprocal. You have to take 4 cube by 5 cube. You have to take into and you have to take the reciprocal into 5 square by 3 square. So now these 5 cube and 5 square gets cancelled and 5 is left here. Okay, so 5 square, 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5. If we cancel 5's, 5 will be left here. Okay, so here 4 square is there, here 4 cube is there. If the bases are same, power should be added. 4 power 2 plus 3. Okay, so then by 3 square is there here, then 5 is there here. 3 square into 5. Okay, then into what is there? 3 square is there again. So again what you have to do? 4 power 3, 4, 5. 4 power 5 by, here also you have to take the same formula. 3, 2 plus 2. If the bases are same, power should be added into 5 is equal to 4 power 5 by 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4 into 5. So this is the answer. Ninth sum is, if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, find the value of. Okay, you have to find the value of this. So 9m square minus 10n cube. So 9m square means m you have to take 2 times. So here m is 3. I am substituting the values here. So m is equal to 3. We are taking m as 3 here and n as 2 here. Okay, so this will become 3 square and this will become 2 cube. So 9 into, again you have to take 3 2 times. 3 3s are 9. 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So now 9 9s are 81. If bracket is there, you have to do the multiplication. 9 9s are 81 minus 10 8s are 80. So what is 81 minus 80? It is 1. So now 2m square n square. So 2m square means, what is m here? 3. 3 square. Then what is n here? 2. 2 square. So 2. 3 3s are 9. Again 2 2s are 4. So 9 2s are 18. Okay, so 18 into 4. So the answer is here 72. So third one is 2m cube. Again we have to take m as 3. 3 cube. N as 2. Plus again 5. M as 3. N as 2. So now what you have to do is equal to 2 into 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Plus 3 into, sorry, you have to take here n as 2. So 2 square means 2 2s are 4 minus 5 into 3 3s are 9 into 2. So now what is 27 2s are? 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 5. It is 54 plus 4 3s are, it is 12 minus 5 9s are 45 into 2. Okay, so now 54 plus 12 minus 45 2s are 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 9, 90 it is. So you have to write here 90. So 54 plus 12, 4 5 6, 6. 66 minus 90. So what is 90 minus 66? 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 2, 24. So the answer is here minus 24. So this is very easier. You have to only substitute the values. So here again you have to substitute the values. Here m you are taking 3 and n is 2 here. N you have to take here 2. Minus what is n? N is 2. Again what is m? M is 3. So 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer is here 1. It is very simple. So 10th one is simplify and give regions. Again you have to simplify it and give regions. 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus pi into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus m. Again we are using here the same identity. A by b whole to the power of minus m is equals to b by a whole to the power of m. Okay. So what is a by b? Here 4 by 7 is there. You have to take it as 7 by 4 whole to the power of 5 into 4 by 7 whole to the power of 7 you have to take. Okay, we are removing this minus. So now 7 power 5 by 4 power 5 into 4 power 7 by 7 power 7. Okay, so if you cancel this 7 power 7 and 7 power 5, what is left here? What is left here? 5, 6, 7. 7 power 2 is left here. Okay. Okay, 5, 6, 7. 2 left here. 7 power 2 is left here. So if you cancel this and this, what is left here? 4 power 5, 4 power 7. So 5, 6, 7. 4 power 2 is left here. So 4 power 2 by 7 power 2. So 4 4s are 16 by 7 7s are 49. So the answer is here 16 by 49. So don't get confused in this. Okay, I'm cancelling this one. Here 4 power 7 is there. Here 4 power 5 is there. So 4 power 5 is there means if we cancel this 4 power 7, 5, 6, 7, 2 left here. So 4 power 2 is left here. So if we cancel this 7 power 5 and this 7 power 7, what will happen? Again 5, 6, 7, 2 left here. Okay, so 7 power 2, 4 power 2. You have to write 4 power 2 by 7 power 2. So 4 4s are 16, 7 7s are 49. Okay, like this you have to do this sum. So with this we have completed our exercise 4.1. Okay, so we'll do exercise 4.2 in my next video. Okay, till then stay safe. Goodbye.